Previously on ABAUTO. I'm here today at LSH Auto, Mercedes-Benz of Stockport. We're going to go inside, we're going to have a tour. This place is absolutely insane. I can't wait to show you guys. I honestly can't believe I'm sitting here in an AMG GT and I'm going to drive it. This is so surreal. This is my absolute dream car. Oh my gosh. It is so loud in here. And now it's time to drive the AMG GT. Right, here we go. First drive in an AMG GT. I am so excited. I've immediately gone for the stalk, but it's not here because this is the big AMG, so you get this nice one here. So all the way down to drive, but we actually want to go into reverse. And I'm so glad we've got the 360-degree camera because I'm a bit nervous. Right, here we go. We'll start off in comfort. We'll see how comfortable this car is. Oh, I always forget to do my mirrors because I get so excited. So I'm going to very quickly do the mirrors. Right, I'm too excited to do them properly. Right, no, that's good, they're done. Right, I'll go for the stalk again. Right, we're in drive. Here we go. We're going to start off in comfort mode to see how comfortable the car is. And then we're going to definitely go in Sport Plus. Just being super careful going up these ramps. I can't wait to just put it in Sport Plus and unleash it. All right, so we're going to start in comfort first. Okay, it's got some power even in comfort mode and it sounds amazing. Oh, that V8 rumble, I bet it sounds amazing in the back.
Oh mate, unbelievable.
Right, should we put it in Sport Plus? Because this is just comfort mode. Oh, did you hear the pops? Whoa, that sounds so good. And this is with the OPF filter as well.
Yep.
That's just, oh, I need this car. I need a V8 in my life. I mean, we're not even going fast and you can just have so much fun just over revving. Let's go into the faster lane now. We'll just slow.
Just letting a bit of air in.
No, that's cool. Ready? We're going to accelerate?
Yeah.
Oh, it just sounds so good. Oh. See, problem is if I owned this car, I'd probably do like 2 miles per gallon because I would just be doing this all the way to work. As well, like, I didn't really think about it because I was so into the acceleration and just the overall feel, but the handling's really good. It does not feel heavy like I expected.
No.
Like, I feel like I could tear this thing round corners, and which is crazy because it's quite a big car.
Yes.
When I first saw it though, I was blown away just how much better they look in person. I mean, they look great in pictures, but when you see one of these in person and when you sit inside, it's just unreal. It's super comfortable as well. Like, comparing it to CLA45s, which is not really the most comfortable car in the world, but I'm happy. And the seats are great. These aren't the AMG performance seats, but they still hold you in place. I just can't get over that V8 sound. We're definitely going to have to borrow this car for a bit longer and take it down some country roads if we can, or any type of GT. We're going to have to drive the 2-door AMG GT as well, because that thing is just a beast. Obviously rear-wheel drive, so this is 4-wheel drive, so you can pretty much, like the C43, you can just throw this thing around and it's so forgiving. You could probably floor it off a roundabout in the rain, and even with the crazy power that it has, I think it's got almost 600 horsepower. I'll have to double check, but it's fast. It's definitely one of my favorite AMGs because there's loads of space in the back as well. Like, it's super practical. The boot is huge. I was amazed on how big the boot is. Right, sorry, we're gonna have to do another acceleration once this car's gone past. Ready? How does it feel in the back?
Definition of G-force.
Oh man. What I need to do is mount a camera in the boot so we can like really listen to the exhaust. I've done that before with the C43 and the video was so much fun. Oh, if you can afford one of these cars, it is so worth the money. Like if I won the lottery, the first thing I would do is go and buy this car. That would be my first thing. I mean, I'd probably pay off the mortgage as well, but you never know, guys. If things go well, my goal in life is to buy this car now. So if things go well, I could potentially buy one of these one day. I'm gonna work so hard because just sitting here now has inspired me so much. Just so I can do that every day. But the thing about this car as well though, if we go back into comfort mode now, just listen to that. Like, you can easily just cruise in this thing. I mean, I would happily be in this car on a long journey. And I think the back seats as well, they're great, super comfortable. Can't wait to get Becky in this car and see her reaction. I tell you what, if I can get Becky behind the wheel in this car, can you imagine just throwing her in this car, getting the GoPros and the camera set up and just telling her to accelerate and then put it in Sport Plus? Oh, she would. I'm laughing because it would just be so fun and she would have a great time. I could create a monster though. She could, once you've got the rush.
Probably best off at this junction.
Coming off here?
I probably would, yeah, because the next one's quite wild.
Everyone drives so close. They don't really make it easy. Sorry, we were just changing direction. We don't want to run out of petrol. Are we coming off here, yeah?
Yes.
But yeah, I would absolutely love to own one of these cars. It's my absolute dream car. It just does everything. The four-wheel drive means you can drive it every day. The comfort mode is super comfortable. The Sport Plus mode is insane, and it's got the V8, and you know the V8s, they're not going to be around forever. So ultimately, this car is
doing a right and a right.
Okie dokie. This car is one of the best AMGs you can buy, I think. Wow guys, what can I say? What an absolutely incredible car. I hope you all enjoyed this one as much as I did filming it. It was an absolute blast. I had such a good time. And this is just the beginning because I've got some incredible cars coming to the channel. I can't wait to film some drives for you all. The content is just going to be insane. I also have to say a huge thank you to LSH Auto and Mercedes-Benz of Stockport for making this video possible. These guys are incredible, and they're going to be giving me access to even more amazing cars to film for you all. The content is going to be insane, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.